Whenever you copy a video in Premiere Pro and paste it somewhere else, sometimes it ruins all the clips and audio tracks in your timeline. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to paste that copied clip to any targeted track. All we have to do is change our keyboard shortcuts. So head up to Edit and then Keyboard Shortcuts. All we need to do is find what you use to paste. For me, I use Control V. As you can see, I just have paste under that command. We can search on the left-hand side to paste to target track. You'll see we have two options. We're gonna want the paste to target track option. All you have to do is drag it onto any keyboard shortcut you would like. Now you can see we have paste and paste to target track. Click OK. As you can see on the right-hand side, the V1 and A1 is used to toggle the track targeting for this specific track. So if I leave V1 and A1 selected and paste, it's gonna paste it over my clips. But now since these are on V1 and A1, I can disable those and enable V2 and A2, and then that will paste that on those clips. This is really beneficial when you have multiple layers. All we have to do is select the layer that's free, and then we can just simply paste. This gives us more flexibility when editing, so we don't have to worry about overwriting a clip. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and if you did, click that like button and let me know what you think down in the comments.